Hello and welcome back, food lovers. Today we're going to be making these beautiful drinks, and the one thing that they have in common is that they're made with grass jelly. Grass jelly is a popular dessert in Southeast Asia and can either be eaten on its own or with other ingredients. Today we're using it in these three drinks. Grass jelly has a soft jelly-like texture, and if you're fond of the boba pearls in boba milk tea, then you will also love grass jelly. The drink on the left is Thai iced tea with grass jelly. The one in the middle is Thai pink milk, known as Nom Yen, with grass jelly, and the one on the right is the famous Dalgona Coffee with grass jelly. These drinks taste as good as they look, and if you want to know how to make them, then just stick around. Are you excited to make these grass jelly drinks? Then let's begin with the list of ingredients. So these are all the things that you're going to need to make these three drinks. Milk. Evaporated milk. Sweetened condensed milk. Hales flavoured syrup. This is a special syrup that comes from Thailand. I'm using rose flavoured syrup because I like the taste, but you can also use Sala flavoured syrup. I'll leave my Amazon link in the description in case you're having trouble getting hold of it. Some water. Thai tea powder. 1 packet of ready-made grass jelly. Grass jelly can be found in Asian stores and comes either in a can or in a packet like this. The ones that comes in a packet can be found in the refrigerator section. 2 teaspoons of sugar. And 2 teaspoons of instant coffee powder. Plus also some ice cubes. The first thing that we need to do is to make the Thai iced tea because it has to cool down before we can use it. I'm using about 500 ml of water here and adding in about 5 tablespoons of tea powder. All we have to do is to let the mixture come to a boil and let it boil for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes of boiling, we need to strain the tea. I'm doing this by using a traditional Thai strainer called a tea sock. Tea socks generally strain out finer particles than a normal metal strainer would. Into the strained tea, we add in the sweetened condensed milk and the evaporated milk. How much depends on how sweet you like your iced tea and how white you like it. And that's it, that's the tea made. We just let it cool down before using it. The next drink to make is the pink milk known as Nom Yen. We do this by adding in some of the flavoured syrup and topping up with about 500 milliliters of water. If the water is warm, it helps the syrup to dissolve quicker. To make it pink, add in some evaporated milk and condensed milk and give it a good stir. While the drinks are cooling, we can prepare the grass jelly. Just remove it from its container and cut it into small cubes. The third drink we need to prepare is the Dalgona Coffee. To make that, add in the coffee powder and sugar into a bowl, along with about 3 tablespoons of water. Then start whisking with an electric whisk or hand whisk if you're feeling tough. Eventually, and with a bit of patience, the mixture will thicken up and look like this. That's when it's ready. All we do now is put together the Dalgona coffee. Into the glass we're using, spoon in the grass jelly. And a few ice cubes. Then pour in some milk until the glass is about 3/4 full. Add the Dalgona coffee on top of the milk using a spoon. And that's it, that's the Dalgona coffee grass jelly drink finished. The second drink to put together is the Nom Yen pink milk. Add in the grass jelly and ice cubes into the glass that you're using, and top it off with the pink milk. So that's how you make the pink milk grass jelly drink. The Thai iced tea grass jelly drink is prepared in exactly the same way as the pink milk. Simply add the grass jelly and ice cubes into the glass and top it off with the tea. And that's the final drink finished. So there you have it, folks, 3 grass jelly drinks for you to try making for the summer. Give this video a like and see you next time.